Assalamualaikum friends, here is ID card design, identity card design in two different format, one for Adobe Illustrator and one for Photoshop. Here is for Illustrator and here is for PSD Photoshop. These files are protected password in this app. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and here is my Facebook page, right, Sheri SK, and follow me. I will provide every video here like a YouTube channel. Last is my Telegram channel, Sheri SK official. Subscribe me on Telegram. I will provide every link of video first here. Okay, here is AI design for Illustrator, same thing here. Okay, and last is font information. Copy and paste your browser, download this font. Okay, I know you can use how to replace image, how to put your logo, write anything. I know, but I will tell you. Just simple. Open this one and you see in layer area. Here is logo folder, footer, content, and last is background. Extract background. You can change background color. Okay. Here is okay. Drag your image. And just okay, and write anything. You can download this font from web. Okay, here is color. I know you can do easily. Same thing here. Drag your photo, for example this one, drag there. Okay, write anything. I hope these designs are useful for you. Subscribe our channel and follow me on Facebook page. Here is my application. iPhone user can contact me at WhatsApp number. Join my Telegram. Take care. Love is.